today I'm going to share an Aldi grocery haul for my family of 4. All these goodies cost €53.19. I tend to do 2 big shops a week. I shared one the other day from Dunnes, which was around the €40 mark, and this was around the €50 mark, and between those two it feeds us for the week. So I thought I'd share this video with you. And just like the previous one, my family don't have any food allergies. We eat a little bit of everything. I used to be low carb keto. I tend to still err on the side of the lower carb, but we kind of have a little bit of everything. So this is just an open, honest everything that I bought at Aldi today. Starting up here with bananas. I started my last haul with bananas, and we always top up bananas because my kids love bananas. I got some potatoes, lovely Irish potatoes that I'm going to cook with my roast chicken over there. So I've got a nice free-range whole roast chicken. I'm going to try and remember to do the prices along the way. The chicken was €5.69. The potatoes were €1.39, and the bananas were at €1.79. So that is that little section there. I've got milk just like last time. I get skimmed and full cream, €5 a carton. I've got a whole huge broccoli there, which is pretty much as big as my hand, bigger than my hand. It's enormous. And the broccoli was $1.39. I've got this granola. Yep, I like to make my own homemade granola, but we really like the strawberry high in fiber granola from Aldi, so I keep it in my pantry. I buy a carton or so of it a month, and it lasts us quite well. This yogurt we love. The kids like the strawberry, and I like the lemon under there as well. I didn't have space in my kitchen to put everything that I could everywhere. We have those yogurts through the week, and my husband, I get him this fancier orange one. He loves this orange yogurt, so he gets that one. We get those. This is the bread that I get from Aldi. It's a Vienna bread. The other loaf we still have a few pieces from that I shared in the last haul, so this one we'll open once we finish the previous one, and the kids will just have a couple of pieces or so a day of that. Catching up on the prices, the yogurt was €1.89 for those cartons of 4 yogurts. The granola was $1.59, and the bread was only €1.39. So now onto my creams. I've got fresh Irish cream over there, and sour cream as well that I love to include with meals. I've got peanut butter. I like to top up on this peanut butter when I'm at Aldi. The sour cream is 89 cents, cream €1.39, and the peanut butter €2.79, which I think is good for this nice natural peanut butter. An Aldi haul wouldn't be complete with all of my chocolate. You know, I love my 85% chocolate from Aldi. I also like using the 70% in desserts as well, so I got a good couple of those to see us through till the next Aldi shop, and they are €1.85 per block of chocolate. I got boerewors over here. I was so excited to find boerewors. They're €3.99 a pack of boerewors. I'm going to make my sausage bake. I made it a couple of weeks ago as well. I shared the recipe ages ago. Sausage tray bake. Chop up all the sausages, add in potato, any vegetables you like, onion, garlic. I might add some carrots too. I still have some carrots in my fridge, and then roast it all for about an hour, tossing every 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, and it just is a lovely one dish tray bake. So good. I'll leave the recipe down below for you so that you can make the lovely sausage tray bake yourself. And onto cheese. I've got this little white cheddar over here. My husband likes chopping up. It's €2.39. And grated cheese. We love grated cheese in all kinds of meals. I love my cheesy fried eggs. Having it in cheesy bolognese sauce. I got 2 packages of grated cheese actually. I love our cheese. And oh, I forgot the cucumber in the corner over there. I've got a cucumber as well. And I got beef mince. I'm going to make spaghetti bolognese. I make up my bolognese the way you like it. And in my pantry, I've got lots of packages of pasta, all gluten-free and different ones. Whenever things are on special, I buy. So that's what we're going to have as one of our meals, the spaghetti bolognese. And finally, spinach. I like just chopping up spinach actually and just sauteing it for breakfast, or adding a little bit to my bolognese, actually chopping it up and adding it to my bolognese. The spinach was €1.39. So that is my Aldi haul. All these goodies were €53.19, and we'll see us through the rest of the week until my next Dunnes shop. We've got our 3 main meals with the roast chicken, and we'll have leftovers from that. I've got my boerewors over here to make my sausage bake, and I'm gonna make spaghetti bolognese with my beef mince. Those are the three mains, and I've still got eggs from our Dunnes shop for breakfast, and as I said, we have light dinners, so I've got those yogurt. The boys might have a bit of yogurt with granola, or a bit of bread with peanut butter makes up the really light dinner. So thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know if you'd like me to share more hauls like this of what I am buying at the grocery store and meals that I'm feeding for my family. I look forward to reading your comments. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.